Hello children, I'm Suchitra Miss and I hope you all are hale and hearty. Today I am going to take language of class 3 children. So take out your book students and open chapter 15, that is simple past tense. So I'm going to start the explanation of simple past tense. Things that have already happened is called simple past tense. Now I'm going to give you 10 examples of simple past tense. Number 1, 2 boys played with a ball. Played is a past tense. An old lady walked with her cat. Walked is a past tense. Number 3, Dr. Smith healed the patient. Healed is a past tense. Number 4, Michael studied hard all year. Studied is a past tense. Number 5, they bought 2 tickets for the concert. Bought is a past tense. Number 6, my brother drank a glass of milk 2 hours ago. Drank is a past tense. Number 7, she left the school in 2010. Left is a past tense. Number 8, did she clean her home? Question mark. Did is a past tense like do, did, done. So did is a past tense. Number 9, they were students last year. They were. So where is the past tense? 10, she had a meeting with her colleagues. Had is a past tense. So these all are examples of simple past tense. So children, today I will teach you from your book only. Take out page number 57. See what is given the definition of simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to talk about actions that happen at a certain time in the past. Understood? The action that happened in the past, in a certain time of past, is called simple past tense. Now see above what is given. Read the sentences to find out what Mithun did yesterday. Okay? Notice the highlighted verbs. Mithun went to school in the morning. He returned home at 2:45 p.m. He had his lunch. Then he gave his dog, Captain, a bath. He groomed Captain and gave it lunch. Then he took it to the park and played with it. Mithun and his pet enjoyed themselves. So the highlighted words in this sentence tell us that the action happened in the past. They are in simple past tense. Now let us read this table. Let us study this table to understand the use of simple past tense. Now, I sang. See, singular it is given. I sang, then plural will be we sang. Singular, you sang. You sang. In a plural, it will be you sang only. He, she, it sang. It will be they sang. Now, singular, I was. Then plural will be we were. Was, were. You were, you were. He, she, it was. They were. Singular, I had, we had. Now, see over here, you had, you had. He, she, it had. It means plural means they had. Okay. Now come to the note portion. Most verbs form their past by adding D or ED. Simply you know what is past tense. Past means the things that happen in the things or actions that happen in the past. Like some words are given like work, worked, ed. That is past form. Work is a present form, whereas worked is a past form. Bake, baked. Then see the second point. Remember the N in Y, drop the Y and take IED. For example, cry. Cry is a past present form. So the past form will be cried. Fry, fried. Okay. Now the third point is some verbs change their form completely. For example, go, went. Give, gave. Come, came. Run, ran. Eat, ate. See, saw. Meet, met. Think, thought. You have to remember these points. Then only it will be easy for you all to solve the assignment. Remember one thing. The being verb was and were are the forms of verb be in the past tense. Okay? So past tense basically we know was, were is been used. And one more thing is used, that is ed. Okay? Now children, come to page number 58 in your book. Change this verb into simple past tense form. Climb is given, it will be climbed. Make, made. Win is given, what will be it be? Won. Think, thought. Drive, drove. Hold will be holded. Understand, understood. Speak, spoke. Wear, wore. Write, wrote. Sleep, slept. Keep, kept. Hop, hopped. Give, gave. Catch, called. Caught. You can even see what is given in B, filling the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in the bracket. The little child we met yesterday at the traffic light dash very hungry. In the bracket it is given B. So what will be the answer? The little child we met yesterday at the traffic light was very hungry. Number 2, my sister dash a song yesterday. Sing is given. My sister sang a song yesterday. Number 3, we dash late last night. We slept, S-L-E-P-T, slept. Number 4, Rihanna dashed to her friend for an hour. Rihanna spoke to her friend for an hour. Like this, you have to solve your assignment as well as the exercises that is given in your book. So children, whatever I have taught you today will be helpful for you all in solving your assignment. Thank you.